Okay.
And how
Okay,
can we
got it.
connect to the people if we have any business, anything that we want to reach, even if we just want to provide a simple service, whether it's a free or paid, but we have to somehow reach to the people. Nowadays the best method, we all know social media, but still we know we all can't be all the time super famous on YouTube or any Instagram instantly, right? So if we have
Hmm.
to start from very very basic, from just take a simple example from our locality, right? So no one is going to stop us, but for that we have to somehow keep ourselves outside from our room. Sometimes we have to meet to the people. So what can be the best method, what can be the best way, so the results will be more and more good, right? Okay, Kajol, you can start now. What do you think about it?
Okay, I
Yeah.
think there is a nowadays we have a lots of methods because
Mhm.
if you talk about before 10 year or 20 years, because at that time we don't have any social media, but no doubt we have nowadays we have a social media. So I think the best the nowadays the best like marketing strategy you can start with Facebook also. I think Facebook is one of the like all
Mhm.
the people nowadays, most of the people uses it because our parents also uses it. So that's why they all basically watch the timeline or many things. So I
Yeah.
think Facebook is one of the best option where we can start. In fact, nowadays actually I have also start some pages, and I'm handling some pages.
Mhm.
So where I have actually started handling the pages of my local area from Bihar. So I think from that we now we are in we are in initial phase. So we are just focusing how can first of all how can we increase our post, how can we increase our the likes or many things, so that
Mhm.
more and more people will
Followers.
join our group. So
Exactly.
yeah, that's our strategy nowadays. And nowadays we are approx 1000 like 1000 followers in our page actually.
From
So
zero,
but yeah,
you just started from zero,
1000.
zero, and
Sorry.
now you have 1,000, right?
Yeah,
And how long
approx
have
1000.
you been doing that? Your
Yeah, it takes time actually, approx I think 6 months
Okay, okay.
approx. So yeah, we had started and nowadays we had posted, and I think we have the plan that we can now add some more product on it. Because I think yeah, we also use some memes and videos for
Mhm.
for increasing our so that the more and more people will likes our pages. So I
Yes,
think
yes.
we are strategize on this self.
Mhm.
And we also plan for Instagram, because nowadays most of the
Okay.
youths are
The best,
like
yeah, yeah.
move to the Instagram. So for
Instagram.
targeting
Yes,
those Instagram, so I think yeah, we are doing the same thing. And nowadays we can start our, if possible we can also design our website. And there's a
Mhm.
lots of types of marketing, but first of all I think nowadays the
Best,
best example is Facebook, no doubt the best
exactly.
example.
Yeah, I think Facebook
We
and
can also
Instagram
create.
both. I think if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
if you are doing
For
your
if you talk,
marketing,
Dhruv,
yeah,
if you
yeah.
talk about the youths, then most of the people now move to the Instagram. But if you
Mhm.
could, if you talk about the the elder, so I think most of the elder
I
nowadays
think
you
still
are using Facebook.
Facebook,
So
yeah.
I think yeah, that is the best part. And we also we can also do the pamphlets and many things. But if you are
Mhm.
in initial position, you can't just promote these things, because nowadays we are doing in Facebook, because we are able to do in Facebook because it is free actually. It is no doubt it is free, and we are able to do that. But if you
Mhm.
talk about the pamphlets and we advertisement through the actor or many things, so at that time we have to invest a lot of money. So nowadays it is not possible, but we are doing some kind of thing so that we are able to do. And and sometimes my brother also used to talk with their friends and their in our society actually, like
Mhm.
through uncle or anyone.
Yeah.
And just talk to them, and we can do also mouth publicity, so that is also a great part that we can do. So yeah, that's my point. And if I got some more point, then I will
Yeah.
mention it later.
I totally agree with you. And in terms of no doubt, like Facebook and Instagram, both, and definitely both, all those things are free. But still, if we want to speed up our follower, if we want to speed up our marketing, then we can also go for paid promotion. And the best part about the even sometimes paid promotions is paid promotions. It means we can go for marketing, right? From if they Instagram provides us, Facebook provide. I mean, they both are same actually. You have to put your money at one place, and you can circulate your ad on a different location. And the best part, even you can circulate that particular thing in which location you want, right? Like if I want where I'm living, I have to promote my ad or anything in this locality only, right? So I can do that. I think this is the best part. We don't have to go outside. They will see our ad, and we are also watching so many ads in like Instagram, Facebook, whenever we are scrolling. So that can be the definitely the best method, and you have given a good example. Okay, Neha, just okay, Neha,
Yes.
yeah, just be quick. I mean, don't take much more time. Just within 1.5 minutes, and mention your
So
strategy,
yeah,
your way.
we can use there's lots of method of
Mhm.
advertising. You can use a personal selling, and we as you know, like we can go door to door, and then you can
Mhm.
do. And second thing, you can advertising through a newspaper, through magazine, through television, and also like Kajol mentioned, we can use social media. It can be a Instagram, it can be a Facebook, it can be a WhatsApp too, and there are lots of method we can do. And another thing, like I mentioned, like personal selling, and also we can use one method, like we can use mail, getting some mail from, you know what, in my college, lots of people are coming and they are just doing their advertisement. So how can they work? They are just going and direct contact to the our college department, like the management, how they work. So it's a way we can contact people, and then we can advertise ourselves, our product, what we want to do. But for that we have to go outside, and we
Yeah.
have to work by ourselves. So this is the only way. And how can you can also put a message on numbers, randomly numbers, like lots of time we getting an message from this and that, so we can do this thing also.
Yeah.
So that's a way we can, firstly, if you want to anything start, so just do start from yourself. And I think we should we can, yeah, we can do from WhatsApp, yeah, any social media, but we should also focus on, and we should
Communicating with
start personal
physically of
personal selling.
yeah.
Yeah,
If we are
that's a most important.
communicating, yeah. And also like Neha, it almost of the time it also depends on the work and the job and the business that we are doing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yes,
And
yes, yes, yes.
in your
Like
case,
education,
in your case,
education.
a physical
Yes,
communication is must. In your case, I
yeah,
mean even more.
yes,
That will be more
that's me.
benefits for you. But someone who is going to start something online, I think at that time, no doubt, like this method will be good. But also the online method, like marketing, digital
Social media,
marketing.
yeah, yeah, that's much important. That's much and much important. If you are using social media, and yeah, education in this role, you can, the advertisement is a most important play role in the education system. If you are gonna to
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, Neha. Now I think you are done. Sunil, same topic we have
Yeah,
taken. Yeah, go ahead.
all right. Dhruv. So here we are talking the possible way of advertisement or the
Exactly.
importance of advertisement.
No, 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 not importance. Possible ways.
Okay, possible ways. Yeah. So first of all, before getting to the topic, I would say it's important. I think every company or manufacturing or organization that they require advertisement, and they also doing it. But nowadays, we all aware about the power of social media or the digitalizations, and also the globalizations of the product or the organizations. Now I can order something from another country.
Mhm.
So yeah, that means that the social media play a crucial role. uh, if right now I'm watching something and that product not available in our country, India, or in my specific area, then I can order from another country. That means here social media play a great role. Here I can't get information from the pamphlet, because that's not possible. I can get pamphlet from another country.
Yeah.
But the social media play here a great role. So we should not deny the power of social media. But apart from this, still the physical advertisement is still effective. In this digital era, it's effective, because if you have a specific product that only the product's demand is in rural area, and and in rural area there's not much aware about the social media, and people they still connected over the social media, but there's a lot of other audience, and the elders, they have not much knowledge. So here we can take the help of physical advertisement through the pamphlet, through the audio, through the mics, loudspeaker. So many people in also using these methods, like they have a small van or like a small truck, and they are selling their specific product, and they are using a mic. So this is also play a great role. And yeah, I think you all guys mentioned, and the power of social media we all know, and there is a lot of PR agencies. And if you we see the importance of advertisement, but here we are not including this topic. But I would say it's crucial for anything. If you want to sell anything small to big, it play great role. And if you see the politics, politicians and the film, they all are taking help of advertisement, and through advertisement they are selling their desired product to everyone. But here one important thing need to understand, that we need to firstly we need to recognize that the audience, possible that the audience and the people that they will use our product. If my product is like I want to sell my Xiaomi mobiles, and I'm putting my advertisement in the elite society, or in the people, they are not gonna purchase my mobile. They are already using the Apple or the branded product. But I'm advertising my product in that society or in that people. That's not gonna help. So we need to understand here the specific audience and the region as well, that in which region my product will use and gonna use. So we can recognize first. And here one thing I want to say, I seen in personal basis advertisement of educational institute, or advertisement of politicians, and advertisement of particular persons or a religious group. Here they just gave tender to a particular agency or a company or a specific person. So I seen that on ground level that's not gonna effective. They just throw pamphlet, they just throw, a person is going walking over the road, and just they throw the pamphlet. So here I would say, if they stop the vehicle and they just talk to that person, then I think a little bit a connection will build, and the audience and the people will feel quite connection, and they definitely gonna check it out. But in many cases, I think you all experience this thing, a person from the van or from the car, they just throw the pamphlet, and sometimes we just ignore, we just overlook. Oh, this is I think a thing. So I think here a company and the organization or the politician, they send their pamphlet through a company. They should examine, and they should stock on ground level, that this is gonna effective, this is going to effective, people really using it or not. Then I think our product or our idea will be more powerful, or will be reached to the every person. So yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, Amit.
Yes, bro. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So for as you all the members mentioned, like nowadays, I agree with the social media. Just as like Neha said that the Facebook. So yeah, in Facebook we created if we have to we have to go for any new business startup.
Mhm.
So Facebook is free for all members, I think.
Yeah.
So I think also I when I started my business, also I created one paper on Facebook, and also I like it. But I know to means if your business is grown up, Facebook is already check your activity, and any more things add in your paper. Means so, and also Facebook helps to supply this space to all people. So that will give for money Facebook, and also yeah, Insta is the best platform. And I share one thing. Uh, one of his story of my friend when I was in college. So my classmate Ajay Mahajan, and
Mhm.
which is belong to say that there is Anya. So means how to means Ajay no selling on same rate means uh, how is uh, how is doing like Ajay contact Ajay contact hold the classmates and junior seniors,
Mhm.
and they all the numbers, all the mobile. Okay.
You are.
Yeah, good evening, guys. So, if I talk about advertisement, so I don't have so much content, but I want to say that I have used the Insta as well as Facebook a little, and there are a lot of things, and there are the lot of brands on which there are the lot of apps. Yeah, I'm sorry. Lot of apps were there on which the advertisement is coming. So first of all, it depends on the person. Like there the, I mean, more superstars. They were advertising of some ads, and we the people and the people from the middle class as well as the poor people, we easily influenced by looking at even we don't know the what the brand or we don't know about that thing that what is the we can use, but we just look on the superstars, we just look on the high profile persons that were doing the advertisement of any bloody thing, but we can take it. We I mean, we never judge on the thing that whether it is useful or not. And the same thing nowadays happening in the education field. You can take the example like that the lot of person who can making the ads of the education, even it is, I think it is not required. They were just populating their education field so that they can earn more and more money. Yeah, I don't have much more through today to say because today I'm outside. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, okay. But whatever you have told, it has nothing to do with the actual advertisement part. Okay, and no doubt you are fully true that we have to use our mind. But in terms of other people, definitely when it comes to the coaching classes, when it comes out the anything, whatever the product are out there, whether it's a physical product or a service, but advertisement is very important. That is how we can know. Otherwise, something is going on in a village. How can we have an idea by sitting at a urban place that is far from our, like nowadays we know everything. Now we know what's going on in Bangalore and what they are selling, whether it's education, whether it's services. So I think that that is the only
Yeah,
method. But yeah, at last we have to use our mind. I totally agree in that part. But
yeah,
advertising,
actually what Dhruv, I happened want to today. say, Dhruv, I want to say here that without marketing there is no business or no money.
yeah.
Right.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's a
yeah,
simple
exactly.
thing, Sunil. Like if I think you all guys are here just because I have advertised my platform. I mean, I have just told that
Exactly.
group of people and we are doing all these things. I have also did it. Definitely, I haven't paid. I have only spent my time. And then I think you all guys sometimes you also do that. I'm just learning their English, and you can, if you want, you can join. And I think most of you have already did this part. I think that's why we have
And Dhruv,
keep on.
yeah,
Dhruv,
and Dhruv, I think
the
in
best thing is
individual,
that
everyone,
you can do
doing
the referral
advertisement.
basis, right? You can just refer your friends. That is also important part.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly.
Refer your
And I think
unknown
everyone,
personality, I think.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm saying that I think everyone, doing advertisement knowingly or unknowingly, we are just, grooming ourselves, girls, boys, everyone. So advertisement, it's everywhere. We sometimes, just blame to celebrity or politician or big agencies or TV or social media. But I think knowingly or unknowingly, we everyone, doing advertisements of ourselves or our family or others, or I think everything. We barely show our reality.
Hmm.
That what I am. We every time, we just put like extra something. Like I'm like 20%, then I try to show 30% or 40%, and people sometimes, they are just 5%, and they show more than 100. So I think everyone, doing advertisement, and because of advertisement, there's sale, and there's grow in every business or product. So I think everyone, doing advertisement in their life.
Yeah. Monty, you want to add something? I think you're outside, but you
Yeah,
want to tell something at that.
yeah, I want to like no. Actually, I nowadays I'm in my village, so
Mm-hmm.
it is off the topic that I was saying. Like
Yeah.
today, a very good news. Like my father have a promotion.
Oh,
He become the lieutenant today. Yeah,
Oh,
that
congratulations.
that I want to say.
congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I don't know,
uh,
but I was today so happy.
Mhm. Okay, okay. No,
oh yeah, enjoy, have fun, enjoy.
that's it.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Okay, guys.